Here I have Ulefone Armor 6E, and today I'm going to show you how to enter Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So basically, to just turn this mode on, you go to the upper bar and here you have Do Not Disturb icon. You just tap it once and you can switch this mode. You have also some interesting customizable features of this mode on this device, like sounds and notifications you want or don't want to hear when this mode is on. You can also add some calls exceptions for the specific contacts on your phone. The same thing goes to messages. You can add some time periods when you want this mode to be turned automatically on or turned automatically off. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.